Hi, my name's Kim, and today we're going to talk about coyotes. Welcome to McHenry County Conservation District's Wonders of the Wild. Coyotes are a fascinating creature and one of our top predators in McHenry County. That means that people have mixed feelings about them. They could potentially be dangerous, but they're also necessary to the food chain. Coyotes will eat just about anything that they can catch. Small reptiles, snakes, toads, they'll eat young birds or small birds. They will eat lots and lots of rodents. One of the other things that we have to be concerned about is the fact that coyotes are coming closer and closer to our homes. Now, the reason for this is because they are losing their former habitats and they're getting crowded and need to spread out into our suburban areas. But we don't actually want that. We want them to stay in the areas like our conservation areas, which are preserved specifically for that purpose. What we could do when we see a coyote in our yard is make sure that they remain afraid of us. Bang pots and pans, yell at them, don't go outside, but make sure that they don't stick around. The other thing is make sure you're not feeding your dogs outside. Leaving dog food out all the time, including at night, is going to attract them. Don't put your trash out too early in the week. That attracts them as well. Anything that is an easier food source than what they're trying to get in the wild. Coyotes have excellent hearing, and their pointed ears help to funnel that sound. They also have excellent smell to find food. They can actually smell rodents under a foot of snow and then will pounce down onto them. So they smell them and then they hear them moving and they can pinpoint where they are and pounce through the snow and catch their prey. You may hear coyotes at night. They have many types of calls. It's not just the howl like a wolf has. It's a whole series of yips, barks, and howls that make kind of a cacophony of sounds, especially when you hear a whole group of coyotes doing it at one time. They have a very sophisticated communication system, and all of that means something to each other as they're telling them what's going on. Coyotes also have very good eyesight, and especially at night. And what happens with animals that can see well at night, they actually have a reflective membrane behind the lens, and it helps bounce more light through the eye. And what that creates is what we call eye shine. So when you drive your car and suddenly you see two bright yellow eyes looking back at you, that is the coyote. Each animal has slightly different colors of eye shine. Humans who do not have nearly as good a nighttime vision still do have that membrane, and we actually can have eye shine. You see it when you get red eye in photos. Thanks for watching. Remember to respect your local plants and animals in your conservation areas, and watch for us next time on McHenry County Conservation District's Wonders of the Wild.